Hi, this is Gary at Greenfield Naturals, and this video today will be a tutorial on how to change out the filters on the HydroZ. This features two big blue filter housings. They take a filter that looks like this. It's a 4.5 by 20 inch filter, refillable cartridge. Okay, so to remove the filter, first we want to, of course, turn off the water. And then we'll want to release the pressure with these little red buttons here to get the pressure out of the filter housing. And this is the filter wrench that comes with it. Oftentimes, this isn't strong enough to get these filters off. Sometimes they work, sometimes not. If you are having problems, you're going to need to get a heavy-duty filter changer. They come in different styles. This is one that we use. And to use this, what you'll do, you just put it on. It's pretty simple. And then you'll just take it like that. So this gives you a lot more leverage than this plastic one. So, but of course, first you could try it with this, but if not, this is available at Home Depot or on Amazon. Okay, so once we get it loosened, it's nice to have a hand on the bottom and one on the top to guide it. And it's going to be heavy. This one's dry. There's no water in it right now. If there was water in it, it would start to slosh out. You want to have a bucket nearby to dump the water in. So you would just kind of hold it over here like this and pull it out. This one's empty, but just for demonstration purposes. So once you get that done, you'll see this is the top. It's got the O-ring on the top. You want to make sure that that gasket is in place when you get the replacement. Sometimes they fall off. You want to make sure it's seated in there properly. This is what the bottom looks like. Now sometimes the lid is on the bottom, but it will look like that. And sometimes the lid is on the top, but just remember the gasket always goes on the top to seal it. So we put our new one in. As you can see, we have different types of filters too. So it's not only, you're not always going to get one that's clear. You may get one that's white, but it's the same inside. And yeah, see, this one has a cap on the bottom and the top. So again, the gasket is on the top. So we'll want to just drop that in there and then get it in place. Okay, now when we get it in place, again, it's easier if you hold it from the bottom and from the top and kind of guide it into place, and it goes right on. It's pretty simple. It's very, and once you got it tightened down hand tight, you can take your plastic filter and just do it just a quick little quarter. It's probably about 1/8 of a turn, and that should do it. And of course, if it leaks, you want to tighten it up a little bit more. And also, I did fail to mention that gasket. If that gasket is dry, you should put some silicone grease on it. It's O-ring grease, or a lubricant. And that's available from the hardware store or on Amazon as well. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or have problems changing out the filters, don't hesitate to call us, and we'll do everything we can to help you. So that's it today for a tutorial on how to change out the filters on your HydroZ water solution system from Greenfield Naturals. Thank you.